is. That's pretty cool. Well, this is the lake I was trying to find. Unfortunately, I'm on the wrong end of the lake, and it's a big lake. Sure is pretty. Hold on. There's a little something over there. Oh. Check it out, it's an old trolley. All the wood's rotted away, but you can still see the metal frame. You can see the trolley pretty good here. I think normally the water level's a little bit lower and you can walk out to that thing. But hey, I got a great view of the lake. Look at this.